Good morning, student. How are you? Yesterday I have explained about set theory and up to the topic overlapping set. Now, universal set. I have written what is universal set. What do you mean by universal set? As example, just I am going to explain about. Suppose this is the universe and our sun, moon, earth, stars, other planet are the subset of particular set. That set is called universal set. Means whatever set you are going to imagine, that was the subset, that are the subset of particular set. That particular set known as universal set. Another example I am going to say that just you consider about Santhracian family, means Santhrasus school. We are also subject of our school. You are also subject of your class. Your class is subject of our school. It means for Santhrasus school, school is the universal set and you are the subset of that particular set. Means what is universal set? Whatever set you can imagine or think that are the subset of particular set, that set are called universal set. Now you can easily understood from the some example. Suppose universal set generally represented by zeta or u. Suppose a set is given A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Means any set A, B, C, set B, B, C, D, E, F. You see that all the elements of set A, means A, B, C, also elements of set A. These elements already present in the set in U. U means universal set. It means that set A is subset of universal set. Now you think about set B, A, B, C, D, E, F, B, C, D, E, F. See that B, C, D, E, F means set B, all the elements of set B also present in universal set. Means these are the, this is symbol of subset. Means this is the symbol of subset. Means A and B both are subset of universal set. Means whatever set you think that is the subset of a particular set, that set are called universal set. Now I am going to explain union intersection of set with the help of Venn diagram. Means exercise 7.1 and 7.2 both together I am going to explain. Please you care about that. Very easy, very simple. You can do all the question easily. Okay. See that. Suppose a set A having elements A, B, C, D. Set B having elements C, D, E, F, G. Now, what are union of set A union B? This is symbol of U means union. Union means all the elements of set A and B known as universal, known as union of set. Union of set means set A, B, C, D, E, F, G. See that all the elements of set A and set B present in A union B. See A, B, C, D, E, F, G. All elements of set A and B also present in set A union B. You can say that A is also subset of A union B, and B is also subset of A union B. Means another word, sorry, A union B. In other word, A union B is superset of set A and set B. Means A union B are superset of set A and set B. This I have explained like that way. See Venn diagram. For Venn diagram, first you consider A intersection B. Same question. Question same. A union B. Now A intersection B. Intersection B means common element of set A and set B known as A intersection B. See that elements present in set A and set B, CD are common. These are called intersection of set A and B. Means you can say that A intersection. Remember that this sign known as intersection. Intersection means common element of set A and set B. See, same thing from the Venn diagram. Same set. Remember that set A I have written A, B, C, D. Set B I have written C, D, E, F, G. A union B I have written, A intersection B I have written. Now see, suppose this is the universal set. Universal set is generally represented by rectangle. In corner you write U or zeta. Alpha, beta, gamma, theta, lambda, pi, psi, eta, rho. These are Italian symbol which we are using in physics and mathematics also. Suppose set A and set B. See that in set A intersection B, in both set, you know that only two elements I have written, C and D. C just previous. And A union B, I have written A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Up to that I had written in that. See that set A, set B, common element are C and D. Other element in set A, AB is remaining. In set B, CD means I have written C, D, E, F, G. These elements are remaining. What is A intersection B? Only if you segregate this portion is so that A intersection B. A union B, same diagram. Set A this is a common element. Set B, what is common element? C and D. Here AB, here E, F, G. Whatever remaining elements in the universal set, you can write here. This so that all figure you must segregate. This represent A union B. This A intersection B. This one A union B. Now along with that you try to know that what is complement of set. Complement of set. Set A is A, B, C, D. Set B is C, D, E, F, G. Only same question same, but answer will be different. From one question you can find all the solution whatever given in your book, also in your exercise also. See that this is A intersection B, this one A union B. Now complement of set. Complement of set. What do you mean by complement of set? See that a set A is given, then A complement is universal set minus that particular set. This is also known as difference of the set. I am going to explain about that difference of the set, but you try to know what is a complement of set. If you subtract particular set from universal set, then that will be complement of the set. Suppose that is example I am giving example, set A having element 1 2 3 and any universal set having element 1 2 3 and so on up to 10, then a complement means universal set minus a. Subtract the remove all element of set A from universal set. 1 2 3 you remove, what you get? 4 5 6 7 8 8 9 and 10. This is a complement. That is called a complement. With the help of Venn diagram, how can you explain this one? See, same question with the help of Venn diagram. This is universal set. This is set A. Set A having elements 1 2 3, remaining 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. A complement, if you remove set A from the universal set, you will get this portion. This portion means same like from one page you remove the circle. Okay, take one page, make a circle, remove the circle part, that will be a complement. Same like that, a complement, that is complement of set. I have explained intersection of set, union of set. Now A intersection B complement. From same question you will get the answer of that. How? See, I have written A intersection B complement. Everything will be clear when I will explain De Morgan's law. Okay, next video I will explain about that. A intersection B complement means universal set minus A intersection B. This is universal set. From that, this portion is A intersection B. Remove this section C and D. Now you said all the figure, remaining part except CD. See that in this figure you can see that only this part A intersection B having elements CD are not shaded. This represent A intersection B complement. Similarly, A union B complement. A union B complement means universal set minus A union B, means remove this one also, this part. Here A intersection B elements CD, here AB, here E F G. Now if here given universal set zeta is equal to A B C D E F G H I, up to I have given, so you write I here, and now A union B complement, leave this part, select this region, that so that A union B complement by Venn diagram. Venn was mathematician who explained the set theory question with the help of the diagram. The diagram is known as Venn diagram. Now A union B complement. Now difference of the set. Difference of the set just like complement of the set. But in complement of set you have to subtract the elements from universal set, but where in difference of the set you have to remove the element from given particular set. Suppose that a set A having element 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and set B having element 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Two sets are given. Question. You have to find A minus B, means difference of two sets. See that A minus B, remove the common element from set A to B. In set A, 5, 6, 8 present in set A also, present in set B also. Whatever elements remaining in set A, 2, 3 and 4. This is called A minus B, where B minus A. Remove same element from the set B, you will get 7, 9, 10, 11. This is B minus A. A minus B and B minus A. In exercise 7.1, last two questions are given. Find A union B, A intersection B, A minus B, B minus A. The question are given like that way. You have to solve that question. I am only explaining what is way of that you are getting the answer or solving the question. This is why question. Now Venn diagram. See, set A and set B. First you find common element. Common element are 5, 6, 8. 5, 6, 8 means A intersection B. A intersection B, 5, 6, 8. What is remaining in set A? 2, 3, 4 and set B 7, 9, 10, 11. See that by Venn diagram A minus B. From set A, subtract the element of set B. This is set A, set B, universal set. You will get only this. This portion you will get. See that. The elements present in this second portion are 2, 3, 4. I have written already 2, 3, 4. It means that is A minus B. Whereas B minus A, set A, set B, universal set, common element 5, 6, 8, here 2, 3, 4, here remaining 7, 9, 10, 11. Any, you are free to write element anywhere. Okay. What part? This is a B minus A. Means this set is B minus A. This one. B minus A. This is a difference of the set from B to A. I have explained complement of set, universal set, difference of set, union of set, intersection of set. Afterward, De Morgan's law, but that I will explain in next video. I am going to give some question. Just to write one question. If you solve this question, I hope that you will not face any problem to solving any question of exercise. If honestly you are doing the work. Question. Universal set given x such that x belong to natural number x less than equal to 10. I have written this one set builder form. First you write this one in roster form, then you find that one. Set A, x such that x belong to natural number x less than 5. B, x such that x belong to natural number x less than equal to 7 and greater than equal to 3. Then find first set A, find set A, set B, third A complement, fourth B complement, fifth A union B, sixth A intersection B, seventh A union B, complement 8th, A intersection B complement 8th 9th, A minus B 10th, B minus A 11th, A minus B complement 11th 12th, B minus A complement. I hope that if you solve this question, only one question I have given. Don't worry, that sir has given only one question, and in one question there are 12 questions. These are also subset of particular set. Okay, these are also subset of particular set. Next video I will explain about proper subset and then exercise question. So don't worry, here 12 question I have given. This is only one question, and this question having many options. Means I have given all the set in the set builder form. First you write in the roster form or tabular form, then you can find this one. Otherwise you can't solve this and can't get the solution. Only I have given to find the value of this, not with the help of Venn diagram. In next video I will explain Venn diagram. Thank you. Have a nice day.